All right, everyone, welcome to what I'm going to try for a new series, Money Machine Monday, in which I'm trying to find new uses for this cool technology that Trade Ideas has built while we continue to test it, while we continue to make sure that people can actually participate in all the moves that you're seeing here. Something that I think is good is a good like sentiment indicator, we could put it that way, where if you take a look just quickly at what I have running here, you can maybe start to get some themes overall for the market. So I started this up early in the morning. We are still about a half hour even before the market opens. And I've been using this along with our normal races, a little bit of a way to generate a watch list of what's going on. But if we look quickly, we can see that we're actually down money in the long trades, and then we are up money here in the short trades. That's kind of showing me that at least in the pre-market, we're seeing a lot of this action going on. Where if I take a look at some of the names that have been doing very well to the short side, it's names like Wolf, who have been starting to sell off here a little bit off the open, which is a wellness company. I can take a look at SMSC. This is the MSTR Bear ETF. So this is a bullish Bitcoin play that's been doing well all day. And then let's look at one other one, ZENA. This is another one that's kind of breaking down 10% or so this morning. Then we take a look at the other side. We look at names like SoFi that it's doing very, very well on. It's easy to put that onto my list. But the names that it's not doing well on, I want to take a look at VNDA. This one, you might just add this to a generic gap scanner and say, "Oh, it's a gapper. I'm gonna look to get involved maybe if this gap continues." But the fact that I saw that the money machine was down so much on it, I can just quickly take a look and say, "Well, yeah, it just tanked that from that open." So there's going to be a whole bunch of bag holders up here. So instead of maybe moving this to my bullish gap list, now I can just move it over to my bearish gap list, because if this thing starts to bounce later in the day, and it starts to show weakness after that, well, I know there's a whole bunch of people trapped up there, because so would the money machine, right? The beauty of it is that when you're doing a long short play like this, that even though it had a couple bad trades in this one, it's still doing okay, considering the market hasn't even opened yet. So again, just thinking of new ideas and new ways to use this technology. Definitely come to trade-ideas.com. Check out the link in the description below to get you there to check it out. It's an interesting new tool, and as we explore more ways to utilize it and more ways to play it, I'm going to bring you with guys a video every Monday on ways that I'm looking to kind of unconventionally use this new tech to get a little bit of an edge on the competition out there.